The power of digital creation tools. In the ever-evolving world of digital content creation, tools like Photoshop have become household names. For decades, Photoshop has been the go-to software for graphic designers, photographers, and digital artists. It offers a vast array of features that allow users to create stunning images, edit photos with precision, and design intricate graphics. However, the software comes at a cost, and not everyone can justify spending nearly $40 per month for access, especially when there are alternatives that offer similar functionalities. In recent years, the landscape of digital creation tools has expanded, introducing new and innovative software that rivals Photoshop in many aspects. One such tool is Krita, a powerful, free, and open-source application that has gained popularity among artists and designers. Krita offers many of the features that make Photoshop so valuable, including layer-based editing, a wide variety of brushes, and extensive filtering options. Additionally, Krita has unique features that make it an even more attractive option for certain users. This article will explore how Krita can serve as a viable alternative to Photoshop, especially for those who are looking for a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality. We will delve into the software's capabilities, demonstrate how to install and configure Krita, and guide you through generating images using AI, all without any cost. Whether you are a seasoned professional or beginner in digital creation, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to make the most out of Krita. The evolution of digital art tools. The digital art landscape has undergone significant transformations over the past few decades. From the early days of simple drawing programs to the sophisticated, feature-rich platforms we have today, the tools available to artists have evolved in both complexity and capability. Photoshop, released by Adobe in 1988, revolutionized the way digital art was created. It introduced the concept of layers, which allowed artists to build complex images by stacking multiple elements. Over the years, Photoshop has added numerous features that have made it indispensable for professionals in various industries. Its versatility in handling everything from photo editing to graphic design has cemented its status as an industry standard. However, as technology advanced, so did the need for more accessible tools that could cater to a broader audience. While Photoshop remained a powerful option, its cost and the steep learning curve became barriers for many aspiring artists and hobbyists. This gap in the market led to the development of alternative software that could offer similar features without the associated costs. Krita, initially released in 2005, was one of these alternatives. It was designed with artists in mind, focusing on providing a free and open-source platform that could compete with commercial software. Over the years, Krita has grown in popularity, thanks to its user-friendly interface, robust feature set, and the fact that it remains completely free to use. Krita versus Photoshop, a comparative overview. Before diving into the specifics of how to use Krita, it's important to understand how it compares to Photoshop. Both tools are powerful, but they cater to slightly different audiences and have unique strengths. Cost. One of the most significant differences between Krita and Photoshop is the cost. Photoshop operates on a subscription model, with prices starting at around $36.29 per month. This cost can add up quickly, especially for freelancers or hobbyists who may not use the software daily. Krita, on the other hand, is completely free. It is open-source software, meaning it is developed and maintained by a community of volunteers who are passionate about providing a high-quality tool for artists without any financial barriers. User interface. Photoshop's interface is highly customizable and designed to cater to a wide range of tasks, from photo editing to 3D modeling. This versatility, however, can make the software feel overwhelming for new users. Krita, while also feature-rich, has a more straightforward interface that is easier to navigate, particularly for those focused primarily on digital painting and illustration. Features and functionality. Both Krita and Photoshop offer a wide range of features, including support for layers, various brushes, and filters. Photoshop excels in photo editing, offering advanced tools for color correction, retouching, and image manipulation. It also integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products, making it part of a broader ecosystem. Krita, while also capable of handling photo editing tasks, shines in the realm of digital painting. It offers a wide array of brushes and tools specifically designed for creating detailed, hand-drawn art. Additionally, Krita includes features such as wraparound mode for creating seamless textures and patterns, a unique feature not found in Photoshop. Performance. Photoshop is known for its resource-intensive nature. It requires a powerful computer to run smoothly, especially when working with large files or complex compositions. Krita, being less resource-intensive, can run more efficiently on a wider range of hardware, making it accessible to users with older or less powerful computers. Community and support. As a commercial product, Photoshop comes with extensive customer support, including tutorials, forums, and direct assistance from Adobe. Krita, being open source, relies on its community for support. While this means there is no official customer service, the Krita community is active and helpful, with numerous tutorials, forums, and resources available online. Why choose Krita? Krita's appeal lies not only in its cost but also in its specific features that cater to digital artists. For those who primarily focus on digital painting, illustration, and concept art, Krita offers tools that are specifically designed for these purposes. Here are some reasons why Krita might be the better choice for you. 1. A rich set of brushes. Krita comes with an extensive collection of brushes that mimic traditional painting tools. Whether you're looking for a watercolor effect, oil painting, or inking, Krita has a brush for you. The software also allows you to customize brushes or create your own, giving you full control over your digital artwork. 2. Layer management. Like Photoshop, Krita operates on a layer-based system. This allows you to work on different elements of your artwork separately, making it easier to edit and refine your work. Krita also includes advanced layer management features, such as group layers, layer masks, and blending modes, which give you even more control over your compositions. 3. Animation capabilities. Krita includes a built-in animation tool, which is a rare feature for free software. This makes Krita an excellent choice for artists interested in creating 2D animations. The software allows you to create frame-by-frame animations, and the timeline is intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. 4. Vector tools. While Krita is primarily known for its raster graphics capabilities, it also includes vector tools that allow you to create scalable artwork. This is particularly useful for creating logos, icons, or any artwork that needs to be resized without losing quality. 5. Open source flexibility. As open source software, Krita is highly customizable. You can modify the software to suit your needs, and the community-driven nature of Krita means that new features and updates are frequently released. This flexibility makes Krita a dynamic and evolving tool that can grow with you as your skills and needs develop. 6. Integration with other tools. Krita is compatible with various file formats, including PSD, Photoshop's native format, allowing you to switch between Krita and other software with ease. This interoperability makes Krita a versatile addition to any digital artist's toolkit. Getting started with Krita, installation and configuration. Now that you have a better understanding of what Krita offers, let's dive into how to get started with the software. The installation process is straightforward, and in this section, we will guide you through setting up Krita on your computer, configuring it to suit your needs, and introducing you to its key features. Step 1. Downloading Krita. The first step in your journey with Krita is to download the software. To do this, visit the official Krita website at krita.org. The website is user-friendly and provides clear instructions for downloading the software. Krita is available for multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose the version that corresponds to your operating system and click the download button. The file size is relatively large, so the download may take some time depending on your internet connection. Step 2. Installing Krita. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the steps required to install Krita on your computer. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. During the installation, you may be prompted to select the installation location and whether you want to create a desktop shortcut. Choose your preferences and proceed with the installation. Step 3. Launching Krita. After the installation is complete, you can launch Krita by double-clicking the desktop shortcut or searching for it in your applications menu. When you first open Krita, you will be greeted by the startup screen, which provides quick access to your recent projects, templates, and tutorials. Step 4. Configuring Krita. Before you start creating, it's a good idea to configure Krita to suit your workflow. Krita's interface is highly customizable, allowing you to arrange panels, toolbars, and dockers according to your preferences. To begin configuring Krita, go to the Settings menu and select Configure Krita. This will open the configuration dialog, where you can adjust various settings, including General Settings. Here, you can change the language, theme, and other general preferences. Canvas input settings. Customize how you interact with the canvas, including setting up shortcuts for zooming, rotating, and panning. Brush presets. Krita comes with a wide range of brush presets. You can create custom brushes or modify existing ones to fit your needs. Performance settings. If you are working on a less powerful computer, you can adjust performance settings to optimize Krita's speed and responsiveness. Take some time to explore these settings and adjust them to create a workspace that is comfortable and efficient for you. Exploring Krita's interface, a tour of key features. Once you have Krita installed and configured, it's time to familiarize yourself with its interface. Krita's interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, with all the tools you need readily accessible. 1. The canvas. The canvas is the central area where you create your artwork. Krita's canvas is infinite, allowing you to work on large projects without worrying about running out of space. You can navigate the canvas by using the pan, zoom, and rotate tools, which are accessible via keyboard shortcuts or the toolbar. 2. Toolbars and dockers. Krita's toolbars are located at the top of the screen, providing quick access to essential tools such as brushes, selection tools, and transformation tools. You can customize these toolbars by adding or removing tools to fit your workflow. Dockers are the panels located around the canvas that provide additional functionality, such as layers, brush presets, and color palettes. You can rearrange these dockers by dragging them to different locations on the screen, or you can hide them entirely if you prefer a minimalist workspace. 3. The brush engine. One of Krita's standout features is its powerful brush engine. The brush engine allows you to create and customize brushes with a high degree of precision. Krita includes several brush engines, each with its own set of parameters that you can tweak to create the perfect brush for your needs. Some of the most popular brush engines include Pixel Engine, the default brush engine, ideal for general-purpose painting. Color Smudge Engine, perfect for blending colors and creating smooth transitions. Shape Engine, allows you to create brushes that draw shapes, such as circles or squares. Texture Engine enables you to apply textures to your brush strokes, adding depth and realism to your artwork. 4. Layer Management. Krita's layer management system is similar to Photoshop's, making it easy to organize your artwork. Layers allow you to work on different elements of your composition independently, which is especially useful for complex projects. You can create multiple types of layers in Krita, including raster layers, for pixel-based painting and drawing, vector layers, for creating scalable vector graphics, filter layers, apply non-destructive filters to your artwork, group layers, organize related layers into groups for easier management. 5. Color Management. Krita offers a comprehensive color management system, including support for color profiles, color selectors, and advanced color mixing tools. The color wheel, color sliders, and palette docker are all easily accessible, allowing you to quickly choose and adjust colors as you work. 6. Custom Workspaces. Krita allows you to create and save custom workspaces, which are arrangements of toolbars, dockers, and other interface elements. This is particularly useful if you work on different types of projects that require different tools and layouts. You can quickly switch between workspaces to suit the task at hand. Generating Images with AI in Krita, a step-by-step guide. One of the most exciting features of Krita is its ability to integrate with AI tools to generate images. This feature allows you to create complex, high-quality images with the help of AI, saving you time and effort. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of setting up AI integration in Krita and show you how to use it to create stunning images. Step 1. Installing the AI plugin. To start generating images with AI in Krita, you'll need to install a plugin. This plugin is available on GitHub, a platform for hosting open-source software projects. Here's how to do it. Visit GitHub, open your web browser and go to github.com. Search for the plugin. In the search bar, type Krita AI plugin and press enter. The first result should be the plugin repository. Download the plugin. Once you're on the plugin's GitHub page, look for the Releases section and download the latest version of the plugin. The file will usually be in a zip format. Install the plugin, go back to Krita and navigate to Tools Scripts Import Python plugin from File. Locate the downloaded zip file and select it to install the plugin. Step 2. Configuring the AI plugin. After installing the plugin, you'll need to configure it to start generating images. Here's how. Open the plugin settings, go to Settings, configure Krita AI plugin settings. Choose AI models. In the Settings panel, you'll see options to download and install AI models. These models are the algorithms that generate images. Choose the models you want to use and click Install. Enable negative prompts. For more control over the images generated, enable the negative prompt option. This allows you to specify what you don't want in your image, refining the output to better suit your needs. Step 3. Generating images. Now that your plugin is installed and configured, you're ready to start generating images with AI. Open a new document. Start by opening a new document in Krita. Access the AI plugin. Go to Tools AI Image Generator. This will open the AI image generation panel. Enter a prompt. In the panel, you'll see a text box where you can enter a prompt. This is a description of what you want the AI to generate. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. Choose a style. Below the prompt box, you'll see options for different styles, such as cinematic, comic, anime, or digital art. Select the style that best fits your vision. Generate the image. Once you've entered your prompt and selected a style, click the Generate button. The AI will begin creating your image, which may take a few moments depending on your computer's power. Step 4. Refining the image. After the AI generates an image, you can refine it using Krita's editing tools. Here are some tips. Use the freehand selection tool to isolate parts of the image you want to edit or enhance. Apply filters. Krita offers a wide range of filters that you can apply to the generated image to adjust colors, contrast, and other attributes. Blend layers. If you generated multiple images, you can blend them together using layer masks and blending modes to create a composite image. Step 5. Saving and exporting your image. Once you're satisfied with your image, it's time to save and export it. Save your work. Go to File Save to save your project in Krita's native .craw format. This preserves all layers and allows for further editing later. Export the image. To share or use the image outside of Krita, go to File Export. Choose the file format you need, such as PNG, JPEG, or PSD, and click Export. Advanced tips and tricks for using Krita. Now that you're familiar with the basics of Krita, let's explore some advanced tips and tricks that can help you take your digital art to the next level. 1. Customizing keyboard shortcuts. Krita allows you to customize keyboard shortcuts for nearly every function. This can significantly speed up your workflow. To customize shortcuts, go to Settings, Configure Krita Keyboard Shortcuts. Here, you can assign new shortcuts or modify existing ones to suit your preferences. 2. Using the wraparound mode. If you're creating textures or patterns that need to tile seamlessly, Krita's wraparound mode is a game changer. This mode allows you to paint on the edges of your canvas, and Krita automatically wraps your strokes around, ensuring that your pattern repeats seamlessly. 3. Leveraging reference images. Krita includes a reference image tool that allows you to load images directly into your workspace. These reference images can be resized, rotated, and moved around as needed. This is particularly useful when working on detailed illustrations or when you need to maintain consistency with a specific style or subject. 4. Mastering blending modes. Blending modes are a powerful way to combine layers and create complex effects. Krita includes a variety of blending modes, such as multiply, screen, overlay, and more. Experimenting with different blending modes can add depth and richness to your artwork. 5. Automating repetitive tasks with scripts. For more advanced users, Krita supports scripting with Python. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as batch resizing images, applying filters, or generating specific effects. If you're familiar with Python, you can create custom scripts to enhance your workflow. The future of digital art with Krita and AI. As we look to the future, the integration of AI in digital art tools like Krita represents a significant shift in how artists create. AI can assist with tasks that are time-consuming or require a high level of technical skill, allowing artists to focus more on the creative aspects of their work. Moreover, as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated tools to become available. These tools will not only help artists create more efficiently but also open up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Krita's commitment to being an open-source platform means that it will likely continue to be at the forefront of these developments. The community-driven nature of Krita ensures that it will keep evolving in response to the needs and desires of its users, making it an exciting tool for digital artists now and in the future. Conclusion: embracing the power of Krita and AI. Krita is more than just a digital painting program, it's a comprehensive tool that empowers artists to bring their visions to life. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore digital art or a seasoned professional seeking advanced features, Krita offers everything you need to create stunning artwork. The addition of AI tools further enhances Krita's capabilities, allowing you to generate images with ease and efficiency. By mastering both Krita's traditional tools and its AI features, you can push the boundaries of your creativity and produce work that is both technically impressive and artistically expressive. As you continue to explore Krita, remember that the key to success lies in experimentation and practice. Don't be afraid to try new techniques, customize your workflow, and explore the many possibilities that Krita and AI offer. With time and dedication, you'll be able to harness the full power of these tools to create art that truly stands out. Glossary: AI, artificial intelligence technology that simulates human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. In the context of digital art, AI can assist in generating images, enhancing design, and automating repetitive tasks. Brush Engine, a tool within digital painting software that allows users to create and modify brushes to achieve different painting effects. Canvas, the workspace in digital painting software where artists create their artwork. Docker, panels in Krita that provide additional tools and settings, such as layers, color palettes, and brush presets. Python, a programming language that Krita supports for scripting and automating tasks. Resources: Krita official website, krita.org, the official website where you can download Krita and access tutorials, forums, and more. Krita community forums: Krita Artists, a community forum where you can share your work, ask questions, and connect with other Krita users. GitHub, Krita GitHub repository, the official GitHub repository where you can find the source code, report bugs, and contribute to Krita's development. YouTube tutorials, there are numerous YouTube channels dedicated to teaching Krita, offering tutorials for all skill levels. This guide should give you a solid foundation to start exploring Krita and its AI features. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is practice and experimentation. Happy creating!